Date: November 28, 2589. Project: Study of Humanity Before Collapse. Data extraction. Process activated. Data analysis in progress. Identification of objects, family films, private archives, content type, festive meal scenes, family gatherings, temporal environment, mid-20th century. Objectives: observe the social behaviors associated with food consumption. First observation: gatherings. Individuals gather around tables with significant amounts of food and drinks. These gatherings are characterized by verbal exchanges, laughter, and gestures of sharing. These behaviors, observed repeatedly, indicate a connection between the act of eating and the social need to create a bond. Second observation: laughter and verbal exchanges. The laughter observed is a response to social stimuli. It is not merely a manifestation of pleasure, but an indicator of group dynamics. The frequency and intensity of laughters signals positions and affinity relationship between participants. Third observation: consumption of beverages. Glasses are raised at specific moments. This action is not solely related to the satisfaction of a physiological need. It constitutes a social recognition ritual. Fourth observation: the cake. A key moment found in the films allows us to say that the sweet cake occupied a central place in the celebration, whether it was a birthday or a wedding. The first person served was always the one being celebrated that day. Final observation: filtering of realities. These films are cultural artifacts. They do not necessarily reflect the entirety of the observed events. They are social constructions. The scenes are selected, edited, and presented to convey an idealized or chosen version of reality. Conclusion: all these observations raise a fundamental question. Why did human beings choose to symbolize and ritualize the act of feeding when their biological survival did not depend on it at that time? The answer to this question, enriched by the other analyzed documents, will provide us with a deeper understanding of how humanity orchestrated its own extinction. To be continued.